Hey everybody, I have a color comparison for you today. I'm wearing the Granada, a new style by Belle Tress in a new color called Macadamia Latte R. We're going to compare that to the Buttered Toast R by Belle Tress, and then I'm going to throw in British milk tea for perspective. Remember, you can find all of these wig styles right here at Wig Studio One. If you go below the video, I'll attach a direct product link there. If you click on the link, it'll take you out to the site. You can see all of the colors and the pricing. If you have any questions, please reach out to support at wigstudio1.com. Don't forget to visit us on our private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. So let's begin here with this Granada in the new Macadamia Latte R. This is a newer color coming out from Belle Tress. And when I saw these swatches months ago, I got very excited because I thought, oh, we're getting some more beautiful blonde. These are actually brunettes that are highlighted. And they are spectacular. It's just, these are a little darker and deeper than what I was expecting. So I'll flash up the code here, the color code, so that you can see. Now the Macadamia Latte R is a 6, a 12, a 22, and an 8. So we're gonna see some medium to deep brown tones in this as a base. Then we're gonna see a lot of highlighting of a neutral light blonde in there as well. They are chunky in places, but we get some fine blending throughout. And then all of that on a darker root or a medium brown root. Now it's hard to tell that this is a rooted color because it blends just beautifully and it matches that base color very, very well. Gorgeous, right? So this is a neutral light brunette, in my opinion. Not blonde, but it would satisfy you if you were blonde and just want to darken up a little bit for winter. Or if you're a deeper brunette and you just want that nice highlighted look. What I love about it is that it is not red and it's not gold. So you're not going to see a lot of red or orange tones anywhere on this highlighted brunette. So now we're going to take a look at Newport by Belle Tress in the color Buttered Toast R. Buttered Toast R is also a brand new color that I thought was going to be a blonde and is actually a brunette. So the color code on this one is an 8, an 11, a 22, and an 8. Very similar to what we see here on the Macadamia. Now the highlight placement means everything here because the chunkier, more bold and stark and dramatic the highlighting is really going to tell the color story here. There's nothing subtle about Buttered Toast R, let me tell you. So we have that deeper, medium, kind of a walnut brown, and then that's going to be highlighted with, it almost looks platinum next to this darker tone, but it's a light ash blonde. Very chunky placement of that light ash blonde. Now actually a lot of people think this looks gray, like a salt and pepper kind of a shade, because those two colors combined just make it look very ashy in tone and almost gray. This would be a great transition color to gray. And again, this one should have the same exact root on it as compared to the Macadamia Latte R. Now I do find that the Buttered Toast seems to be cooler, ashier, as compared to the Macadamia, but neither are warm, okay? So I think this one is neutral and this is neutral cool. And I am going to do a side-by-side for you as well. But first I want to bring out one more. And I'm bringing this one out just for perspective. A lot of you have asked me about British Milktea R. And this was in the City collection, I'm sorry, the Cafe collection by Belle Tress. And a lot of you are looking for a decent match to those colors. And there just really isn't something that's exact. This British Milktea is just such an exceptional color, so rare and such a niche color. It's like a mushroom blonde or mushroom brown. It's been heavily toned. So the color code on the British Milktea is a 10, a 60, and a 103, and an 8, all right? So it's a mixture of some browns and some blondes. There's some there's some white in there. But that white has an overtone to it, almost like you went through with a violet toner. Because in certain applications of this color, I can see a little bit of a violet cast, but it is just cool. It's cool and it's toned down and it's more powdery looking. This would also make great color to transition to gray as well. So you have a little bit of neutral warmth, I think, and then you have a lot of coolness, but overall I feel like the British Milktea is going to be a neutral to cool color that would suit blondes, light brunettes, or even gray transition. So now this is where I'll go ahead and cut to a 3-way side-by-side so that you can see each one. And this is priceless, guys, because if you like one of these colors, you see how the other two are going to compare. Everybody have a great day. Happy shopping. See you soon.